In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ChatGPT in Visual Studio Code. This nifty tool will help you speed up your coding workflow, get assistance with writing code, and make debugging a whole lot easier. Trust me, it's really a straightforward setup, and once you've got it going, you can use it anytime you want within Visual Studio Code. So if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. First things first, you need to open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure you download it from the official website and set it up. It's important to have it ready since the tool we're discussing works directly inside the VS Code editor. Once you have VS Code up and running, shift your focus to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the icon labeled Extensions. This section is where you can add extra tools and features to enhance your Visual Studio Code experience. It's like an app store, but specifically for your code editor. In the extension search bar at the top, type in ChatGPT. Almost instantly, you should see a list of related extensions pop up on your screen. From these results, look for one called ChatGPT Easy Code. This is the extension we'll be using to connect ChatGPT-style assistance directly into your coding environment. When you click on the extension, it will open a new page with more details about it. To get things rolling, you'll want to hit the Install button. Visual Studio Code will take a moment to download and integrate this extension into your editor, so you can grab a sip of coffee or take a quick breather while that happens. Once the installation completes, you should see options to either sign in or get started. Go ahead and click Sign In. This step is essential because it helps authenticate you with the service. Just follow the prompts that appear on the screen. Depending on the setup of this extension, you might need to connect your account or complete a quick authorization step. After successfully signing in, congratulations! Your extension is now fully primed and ready to use. What does that mean for you? Well, it means you can start asking for help generating code, rewriting functions, or getting explanations right inside Visual Studio Code. No need to constantly switch back and forth between different tabs or browsers. This really enhances your workflow, allowing you to stay focused and get all the coding support you need almost instantly. Now, if you're wondering how to make the most out of this extension, here are a few tips. Consider using ChatGPT to generate quick code snippets when you hit a wall. It's also incredibly helpful for fixing errors and even understanding parts of unfamiliar code. Have a new project idea brewing? Use it to brainstorm and map out your thoughts. Just remember, the more specific you are with your requests, the more precise and helpful the responses you get will be. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how to set up and utilize ChatGPT in Visual Studio Code by installing the ChatGPT Easy Code extension and signing in. If this tutorial was useful to you, I encourage you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss an update. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial.